थैंक यू रुद्रा जी. हाय नीतीश, क्या हाल चाल नीतीश? Wishing a very happy Savan. I've seen your videos. You guys look amazing. Hi Sahib. Hi Nitin. Hi Upendra ji. Hi Rajiv ji. Hi Dr. Aditya. Asha, can you see me? If you can see me, just send a request. Asha, if you can see me, just send me a request. Because I have sent you a invite भेज चुकी हूँ मैं आपको. Hi Rishabh. Okay. Got it. Got it, Asha. I'll just take you in a bit. Just another 2 minutes. Just a minute more. I want more people to join me. Hello Simi भाभी, कैसे हो आप? हेलो राजीव जी, हेलो पुंदे जी. तो शो शुरू करते हैं. Are you guys ready for the third session of the day today? At least send me thumbs up, guys. Are you excited to see our next guest? Lovely. So let's start the show. When duty takes a toll without proper facilities and PPEs, and our nation, nurses and medical staff fights coronavirus with apathy. What do you have to say about it? Nation's nurses and medical staff, they have been so kind enough to find coronavirus with apathy. Isn't it courageous and heart-wrenching, guys? मैं जितनी बार भी ये सोचती हूँ, जितनी बार भी कहती हूँ, और ये एपिसोड जो मैंने डेडिकेट किया है, ये हमारा कोरोना वॉरियर्स को है, और मैं सल्यूट करती हूँ बार बार. आज पूरे शो में मैं ये सल्यूट करूँगी, और मैं बहुत प्राउड फील करती हूँ अपनी नेशन के लिए. तो लेट्स ब्रिंग इट ऑन द शो, मैन. दिस इज लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, दिस इज कनक भारत पराशर, योर होस्ट एंड दोस्त फॉर द शो इन बातें कुछ दिल से. I am a jewelry designer and a fashion stylist by profession, a mother of a beautiful daughter, 14 years of industry experience, founder of Aishwarya Jewels, A&K's Design Studio, Queen for a Day contest, और अब आपके नए शो में जिसका नाम है बातें कुछ दिल से. यहाँ हम दिल से दिल को जोड़ते हैं और हम दिल से बातें करते हैं. As the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases have increased and are increasing day by day, nurses on the front lines of the health care response find themselves making high stakes decisions for the patients and their own personal lives. For nurses working in wards of Delhi's designated COVID-19 hospitals, it is a tightrope walk between performing their duty efficiently and trying to protect themselves from high risk of getting infected. They know they are overworked, understaffed, possibly heartbroken and anxious. And you know what? But they're always courageous. Presenting in front of you, without a delay, a very beautiful person at heart, our very favorite, one of our own, Mrs. Asha Jason. She's worked with many reputed hospitals. She is nursing superintendent with a very reputed hospital at present. She's worked with Max, and 14 years of enriched experiences in the healthcare and the nursing industry. She excels in nursing administration, management, and supervision. She has handled a lot of emergencies, selection of team at COVID-19. So the COVID-19 team building up during the emergencies, handling the staff and everything has been done under her. So and we feel really proud to get her here on the forum. Disciplinary problems and material requirement at various levels during the crisis. She has met so much of challenges related to maintaining the discipline, keeping the calm in the hospital, managing so many things at the upfront with the resources, with the people, with the patients. There had been a lot of crises, interdepartmental communication. She is the बोलते हैं ना वो लिंक थी जिससे सब कुछ जुड़े हुए थे, चाहे डॉक्टर्स हो, चाहे आपके टेक्नीशियंस हो, चाहे टेक्निकल्स हो, चाहे पेशेंट्स हो, चाहे मैनेजमेंट हो, एंड पेशेंट की केयर और स्टाफ की केयर and training of the staff at the same time. This is what she has been doing it all these years, and this pandemic has been a challenge, and we really want to know how is the challenge all about. She is a passionate person, with the 100% dedication and commitment. She is a one woman who is explorer. She wants to explore different places and different people and different countries, cities, different villages. And she is as a person, I know she's a very spontaneous one. She loves food, she loves cooking, and she makes those yummy food, which no one can resist it. So, and her passion is to serve mankind. What a dedicated person she is. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's welcome a very kind woman, a very warm-hearted person, a mankind. A lot of hearts, so that we know that you watching and you appreciating. Welcome, Masha. Welcome, Masha Jason. Welcome. A heartiest welcome to you.
Thank you so much.
How are you doing?
Good.
You're doing good. And we wanted to know something about you. Tell something about yourself.
Yeah, myself, Masha Jason. I've got experience in different hospitals and very reputed hospitals, handling nurses, handling customers. It's a big challenge. Day to day, I think something and go to the hospital for the work, but I find different things happen. So basically, it's beautiful job, and I'm proud to be a nurse, and I'm handling my big team. This is what, and I'm happy with this job.
What if you talk about hospitals? How many hospitals and what brands you have worked in? I think as a person, how I know you, you have worked in different cities. As in you were in Calcutta, you were I think in Bangalore as well, and you were in Noida, now in Delhi.
Yeah, that's right. I've started my career in Woodlands Hospital. That was the first time after my studies I've joined there in Woodlands. And thereafter I moved to Wokhad Hospital because this all was under professional, the way I handled, and then I wanted to learn more. So different hospitals. Then I worked with the MRA, Woodlands, and then we moved to Delhi. Delhi also I've worked with hospitals, Max and other hospitals. So that's how it's all about life career. And then my husband was also having transfer. So due to that, I also get along with the city where he moves and takes up my job.
Lovely. So, what is the quality of the nurse you feel that a nurse should have it?
See, I would say, each nurse have their own quality. Every nurse has their own quality. So we identify that, and basic things, the nurses that we look into, soft skills, communication skills. They have a little bit of empathy, problem-solving talents. So like that, we see, we take up the staff and then we train them, and that's how we take good nurses.
How do you think nursing has changed in COVID-19 pandemic? You know, the definition of nursing has completely changed, because as हमारी doctors say, if you have gone through our first session, तो
Yeah.
मतलब different roles जैसे nurses, आप इन सब के अलावा भी और भी बहुत कुछ चीजें कर रही हैं. How had it changed?
Yeah, it has changed. A lot of things have changed in nursing life also. Not only in nursing, I find every place there is a change because of COVID. Those who does not know to cook, they have started learning. Those who does not know to prepare, they started. So nursing का life में बहुत कुछ changes हो गए, because their duty is such a duty, and the fear in them, and how they have overcome that fear with the support. Then they go back home, what they see. So slowly, we have seen changes in nursing in a bigger way. So nursing responsibilities, they have taken that ownership, seeing the family as well as the hospital. Nowadays, I find volunteers are, ma'am,
Of course, nurses में.
yes, we do
अच्छा.
have
Oh.
nurses who say, yes, beautiful.
and
I mean, I have
and they
experienced.
and they don't have they not have they have not done the courses, and then now they want to volunteer also for the nursing department.
They have done courses. Without the courses,
Okay,
we won't be able to teach nurses. But they
of
have
course.
done their training and everything is there. But there are sisters who volunteer themselves and say that we would love to work in COVID duties. So
COVID duties.
very few people we find, but yes, but nowadays all the nurses, I salute and my love to all the nurses who are working at this pandemic time.
एक बात बताओ मुझे आप यार, आप लोगों का दिल इतना बड़ा कैसे होता है? मतलब आप लोग अगर किसी को सफर करते हुए देखते हो और किसी की हेल्थ को देख के ऐसे देखते हो, मतलब तुम लोग का ऐसा लगता है कि दिल निकाल के बाहर रख दो और अपने बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं सोचते हो. तुम लोग इतना बड़ा
कभी
दिल लाते कहाँ से हो यार?
अभी इस प्रोग्राम में आया दिल से बातें करने के लिए, हमारे दिल खोल के हम बात करना चाहते हैं।
How sweet of you, Asha.
तो
How sweet of you.
इसमें काफी काफी चीजें हैं इसमें। फर्स्ट थिंग आई वुड से सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द फैमिली, वो बहुत बड़ी रोल बनती है। एंड देन नर्सेस को जो सपोर्ट मिलता है, द लीडर्स हैव टू सपोर्ट देम। So when that support is there, they feel the comfort. Once they have that comfort for the duty, then everything gets aligned, and
I
they're
think the
able to do.
comfort is here. You mean to say the comfort is here. The family is supporting you. They you comfortable
Yes,
from here, and then you're able to give the 100% to the
100%.
society or to the patients or to the
Absolutely.
hospital or the healthcare. So you
Absolutely.
have to be peace from here.
Calm. Yes. Peace,
पता
calm.
चला
And then
पता चला आशा आपको घर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है और घर में जाकर वहां का सारा फ्रस्ट्रेशन आप पेशेंट पे निकाल रहे हो.
नहीं, मतलब
ऐसा
मैं
कभी
घर
ऐसा
की
हुआ
बात
है?
कर रही हूँ, but nurses are struggling. Still now
No,
nurses का
I'm just
duty
saying
जो है,
because why I mentioned this, वो मैं हंसते हंसते बोल गई. मैंने ये चीज इसलिए बोली कि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हमारा जो है, मैं खुद की भी बात करूँ या मैं किसी इंडस्ट्री की किसी बिजनेस की बात करूँ, कि अगर हमें घर पे पीस नहीं मिलता ना तो हमारा काम अफेक्टेड होता है. So exactly the same goes with you in your field, because तुम लोग का तो और accuracy वाला field है, क्योंकि you have to give injections and that dosages and everything you have to give it. तो and थोड़ा सा भी दिमाग इधर उधर डाइवर्ट हुआ, कुछ हुआ तो मतलब कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि पेशेंट को खुद से कुछ भी आप गलत चीजें कर सकते हो. तो you have to be at calm and at peace when you are serving your patients.
that's true. और घर पे सिर्फ नहीं है, environment also has to be calm, and they should be taken. And when they feel depressed or they feel down, low in any ways, so we should support them. And there are people who are saying that, ma'am, particular area mein na is bachi ko problem, so we hold their hands. Now holding hands is a big responsibility. उसमें बहुत चीजें हैं, ट्रेनिंग से लेके बहुत सारी उनकी मन की बात मालूम होना है, हाउ दे फेस, इट कुड बी हाउस प्रॉब्लम, इट कुड बी फैमिली प्रॉब्लम. So we have to be really into their heart and give them that confidence that I am there with you. So the moment they see that yes, the people are there to help them out and extend the hand, then super, they perform very well.
बेसिकली क्या होता है कि जब कोई भी पेशेंट आता है, हम कोविड की ही बात नहीं करते, हम जनरली भी कोई भी पेशेंट अगर हॉस्पिटल मेरे को भी ना एक बहुत ही नेगेटिव वो देता है, मतलब आई नेवर वांट टू, आई गिवन अ चांस मैं कभी हॉस्पिटल जाना नहीं पसंद करूंगी, मतलब यू नो दैट स्केयर्स यू। और कोई गिवन अ चांस यू नो एज अ पेशेंट कोई भी जाता है, एक तो इज ऑलरेडी सफरिंग, और ऊपर से हॉस्पिटल का जो माहौल होता है यू नो कि अभी काट पीट के बराबर कर देंगे तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब मैं ऑपरेशन थिएटर्स वगैरह में जाती हूँ तो वो डर लगता है। और ऊपर से अगर स्टाफ अगर कंफर्टेबल नहीं होगा, अगर नर्सेज हो या फिर वहां पर जो एनवायरमेंट, जो एटमॉस्फेयर हो, अगर वो कंफर्टेबल नहीं होगा ना, तो पेशेंट भी ईज पे नहीं रहेगा। तो वो आप लोग प्रोवाइड करते हो एज अ नर्स, मतलब आप थोड़ा सा उनको काम डाउन कर देते हो कि डोंट वरी, happen to you, you know you are in safe hands, so you know वो confidence आता है, and then you know we relax, मतलब ठीक है नाउ भगवान मालिक है और हमारे डॉक्टर मालिक है हमारा।
I would like to add on that more than the more time is spent by the nurse with the patient. More time, because yes, doctors do visit, but उनका visit के बाद जो care जो देते हैं वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा nurses ही करते हैं. So the patient and the nurse has to have a very good communication and a bond. If that bond is there, then the patient को आधी बीमारी जब when they see a nurse, I believe once upon a time, I think 4 years back, you know, one patient, when I went for my round, the patient said, Madam, वो जो sister जो आती है लंबी वाली, I am not seeing her last 2 days. So it is something for me also to understand. So I said, nurses all are same. So why a particular? So he has explained the nurse का style जो है, आना, बात करना, he is missing that. So patient के साथ जो comfort zone होता है ना, that comfort zone patients always look ahead. Because family से भी ज़्यादा trust उनको nurses पे है.
मेरे
Doctors
रोल मॉडल, ये ऑफ कोर्स डॉक्टर्स देखो मेन होते, अपना वो करा, अपना जो भी करना है उनको जो करा चले गए, लेकिन पीछे से देखभाल तो नर्स, क्योंकि डॉक्टर्स इतनी देर तक तो रह भी नहीं सकते, उनका सबका एरियाज डिफाइंड है। सो नर्सेज जो आई थिंक हॉस्पिटल हम इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज बस ऑपरेशन करके बस कुछ नहीं होता ना, have to be people who need to take care and assist the doctors in whatever they are doing it, you know वो बहुत important है। मैं रोल मॉडल्स की बात, जैसे हमने देखा कि पैंडेमिक के टाइम में नर्सेज बहुत आगे आई और चेंज ऑफ रोल्स, आपने बोला कि हम नर्सिंग के अलावा भी हमने बहुत चीजें करी और रोल्स सभी के चेंज हुए, बट मैं स्पेसिफिकली नर्सेज की बात कर रही हूँ कि आपने क्या किया अपने नर्सिंग के अलावा इस पैंडेमिक के टाइम में, आपने क्या क्या चीजें अपने वार्ड बॉयज को देखा करते हुए और अपनी नर्सेज को देखा, अपार्ट फ्रॉम नर्सिंग आपने क्या क्या चीजें करते हुए देखी?
बहुत सारी चीजें की, वी हैव टेक्नीशियंस, वी हैव पैथोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट में वो सारे स्टाफ्स है। सी हॉस्पिटल में हर कोई, इवन द हाउसकीपिंग्स, वी हैव द सपोर्ट सर्विस पीपल, सो इनकी सबकी जो प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, दे आर नॉट मच अवेयर अबाउट क्या है कोविड, एंड दे कम एंड आस्क दैट ये क्या है, इसमें कैसे इन्फेक्शन होते हैं। तो वो जो सपोर्ट हम बात करके बताते हैं ना, उसके लिए उनको बहुत ये लगता है, यू नो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आई हैव सीन दैट देयर आर पीपल हु वाज रियली स्केयर्ड टू कम, कोविड है, ड्यूटी नहीं आते थे, काफी दिक्कत है, एंड नर्सेज एंड सपोर्ट सर्विस स्टाफ्स एंड हाउसकीपिंग जीडीएस, दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द हॉस्पिटल। सो उनका जो डर लेके सवाल उठते हैं, उसको भी हम लोग साइकोलॉजी एंड इमोशनली व्हेन यू टॉक टू देम, things have changed, they have
You
come for the
counsel,
duty.
you
Yes.
counsel them, मतलब apart from doing this you counsel your own employees and colleagues कि मतलब emotionally जिससे गुजर रहे होते हैं, you counsel them. Apart from this you into the telecalling, taking the you know temperatures at the मतलब entrance पे, मतलब ऐसी ऐसी चीजें देखी गई हैं जो कि जनरली आप लोग करते नहीं हो, लेकिन पैंडेमिक के टाइम पे हम लोगों ने ये चीजें देखी हैं कि टेली कम्युनिकेशन पे हो, टेली कॉलर्स पे हो।
So इसमें क्या है कि for this what has happened is that clinic, separate clinic has been done, nurses had to do that because ये जो patients इतने सारे आते हैं, we really don't know, initially we were not very clear about it, कौन आ रहा है, कौन जा रहा है, who is symptomatic, who is non symptomatic, but धीरे धीरे all the process has come into place. Now we know the process. first screening होते हैं, उसके बाद में patients को लिया जाता है, then they are segregated. Positive patients को positive area में रख देते हैं, negative area में negative. So a lot of things like slowly step by step process पे हम लोग लेकर आए.
What exactly are those obligations towards their parents? मतलब obligation हो जाती है आपको अपने patient के लिए, तो कैसा feel करते हो आप? The kind of relationship you built up with the patient, आपने बोला, and then some or the other way आपको लगता है कि you are obligated towards the patient. तो वो कैसी, वो जो फीलिंग और जो बॉन्ड आप करते हो एक पेशेंट के साथ में, जो फीलिंग आपको आती है जब वो पेशेंट डिस्चार्ज हो रहा होता है, और वो या तो पेशेंट वो जो सफरिंग से गुजर रहा होता है, व्हाटएवर, और हार्ट अटैक और कोविड-19 पेशेंट और एनीथिंग, एनी सर्जरी, एनी कैंसर पेशेंट, तो आप एक बॉन्ड, आप रोज दिन रात बात करके और सुबह शाम खाना खिला के और इतना ध्यान रख के एक बॉन्ड बना लेते हो। तो जब वो पेशेंट के साथ में आपको, do you feel that you're obligated towards, मतलब आपको अगर वो दिख नहीं रहा है या वो चला जाता है तो आपको महसूस होता है?
Yes, some patients, yes, we do remember them. There are some patients who interact with us once they go back home also. So just I would say that for 2 years back, I have seen a patient in Noida, and the patient was very much admitted for around 30 days, almost a month. So we as a nursing team and my team was there, and patient got discharged, their parents, everybody came, gave blessings. I had a nice chat with the nurses as well as with me. Now this COVID time, it's surprising for them to call the entire team and to find out, are you people safe? So that really touched most of our nurses, and they have interacted saying this patient has called up to see COVID-19 is all those staff who had helped them.
How
Are they
nice.
happy? So sometimes we don't expect anything. Sometimes we don't really expect. We see patients, we interact with them, we have a chat, we talk to the patients, give them a happy this thing, and then वो सेवा भाव जो देना है ना, वो पूरी तरह से हम दे देते हैं. And then it depends. Patients कभी कभी देखते हैं, OPD में आते हैं तो they meet sometimes. So like that.
How emotionally connect do you get to the patient when you working with them, इतना दिन रात ख्याल रखते हो, तो आप कितने emotionally connect हो जाते हो with the patients, and you feel that you responsible, अगर वो थोड़ा सा भी दर्द में है, थोड़ा सा भी कुछ में है, then you feel your heart cries for it, कि why is he into pain, आप वो कितना responsible feel करते हो, as a nurse उस patient के लिए?
Yeah. So when we take rounds, we are supposed to take rounds of the entire hospital. अगर इस तरह का pain या कुछ है, then we interact with the nurses and we immediately ask the doctors. So जो doctors से बात करके immediately whatever medication or some sort of anything, I mean whatever the doctor advises during that time, so we get it done. The patient also feel happy. Then what happened? Patient attenders आते हैं तो बताते हैं कि ऐसी ऐसी बात हुई है, राउंड्स पे आए थे, मिले थे, सिस्टर्स ने बोला. सो इस तरह के वो सेटल कर देते. वी डोंट लीव एनीथिंग ओपन. व्हाटएवर कंसर्न्स पेशेंट्स हैव, वी ट्राई टू रिजॉल्व दैट. तो वो अच्छा लगता है.
डॉक्टर गुलाब राय बोल रहे हैं कि जो नर्सेज हैं वो गोल्ड की चेन है, जो कि सबको बांध के रखती है, जो
वी ट्राई.
सारे पेशेंट्स हैं और डॉक्टर्स हैं और सबको सबको बांध के रखती है, यही है ना, कोऑर्डिनेटर है, सबको बांध के रखती है.
हाँ, बांध के रखते हैं, बिल्कुल
सबको बांध के रखते हैं.
बांध.
अच्छा, from an ethical stand point, what new challenges are nurses facing at this point of time?
At this point of time, see, leaving the families, coming and doing duty, and wearing the PP kit, and that kit is also not easy to be. So leaving that family, leaving and coming, 14 days they do the duty, 7 days, 6 days we give them off, and then again back to the duty. That is the time when the challenge comes. So it's very, children, I mean, my staff share with me, आज घर पे ऐसे हो गया था, वीडियो में देखा है. So, somewhere I also feel that being a human, so we try to help them out. Maybe if we can reduce their duty, that can be done. And then they are quarantined, then they are being tested, and then they are being sent home. So, ये सारी चीजें, but we try our best to give them emotional and psychological support totally. उसमें क्या होता
Okay.
है, बातों से काफी चीजें, तो पुरानी बातें, एंड देन वी टॉक टू देम, दोज हु आर क्वारंटाइन, हाउ यू आर, हैव यू हैड योर फूड। ये जो स्टाफ्स है क्वारंटाइन एक एरिया में रहते हैं, तो फिर देन वी इंटरेक्ट विद देम, तो उससे भी कुछ चीजें बहुत बहुत फर्क पड़ता है। See, anything to heal is communication with the
Of
patient
course.
or with
Of
the family.
course.
So
Of
I
course.
find if we strengthen the communication and the faith, bringing them into our confidence that we are there with you, I think rest everything takes on its own place.
Of course. And what obligations do nurses have to themselves and their own families? लो पेशेंट का तो देख लिया, जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपने देखा, बट आपको खुद के लिए और खुद की फैमिली के लिए व्हाट आर द ऑब्लिगेशंस डू यू फील एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर, डू यू फील फॉर योरसेल्फ एंड फॉर योर ओन फैमिली?
Yeah, family, yes, there is. I mean, there are not, I mean, there are a number of nurses who have problems, but yes, a good support is being given. Touch wood, from my family also, I've got a good support. So I think with support, as Dr. Saurav sir has said, exactly the same answer. किस तरह से हम लोग करते हैं, we leave the house in the morning, come back in the evening, and then as per the thing, cleanliness, this, that, shower, hand washing, sanitize yourself, to be quarantined, all these are under that process.
What are the challenges faced when the staff does not come on duty? How do you feel, जब रिक्रूटमेंट
That's
किया है और करते हो, कैसे करते हो मैनेज?
very big a question, and the answer is, now see, being so much experienced, we try to keep everywhere backup, and we ensure that the staff's informed. Yes, maybe there could be one or two, but everywhere a backup is kept. If suppose we come to know that yes, particularly maybe she's not well or he's not well, so every in charges, and I have an interaction with them, try to keep a backup. And I'm almost all hospitals now, they know this is the situation and backups are always ready. But there's no
Okay.
any problem or there's no issue. Bilkul. Everything
नहीं,
is under cover.
कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि बैकअप रखने के बाद भी फिर भी बैकअप काम नहीं आता, फिर क्या करते हो? हाउ डू यू
Senior
अरेंज
Sutar,
एंड मोमेंट?
we
एंड मोमेंट
we have to arrange, and moment may we have to arrange from the hostel. From the hostel we have facilities. So we are
ओके.
always informed them that any crisis, you people are the first point of contact, and we
ओके.
call them.
ओह लवली.
It's all
तो
managing about the hostels and things.
आई नो, what are the most accurate acute problems faced by the nursing staff and the doctors? जैसे अभी सबसे ज्यादा जो acute आपको problems क्या लगे, डॉक्टर्स का भी और नर्सेस का भी?
अभी तो कम हो गया, पहले जो था दैट वाज कम्युनिकेशन, देन वो होते थे, सो इट वाज ऑन अ हेल्दी दिस थिंग, बट कोविड जब से स्टार्ट हुआ एंड pandemic, I mean the high prices that's known, now the team is one. Even the doctors know, even the nurses know, they combine together and get things done.
परफेक्ट.
इतनी इश्यूज
बट
नहीं आ रहे.
ये पैंडेमिक के बाद में जो ये पीपी किट्स, जैसे हमें अभी मैंने दोनों सेशन पे भी बात किया, पीपी किट्स को जितने लंबे आवर्स के लिए पहन के रखना, एंड जो हाइजीनिक अकोमोडेशन हो या अनहाइजीनिक अकोमोडेशन हो, वहां पर नर्सिंग स्टाफ को क्वारंटाइन करना, वो सब कैसे हैंडल करते हो? मतलब हाउ डू यू हैंडल ऑल दिस?
See, PP kit to be worn, that is essential for their safety also, है ना? So PP kit जो होता है, we try to avoid double duties. We try to avoid the maximum if we can, but otherwise we allow them 6 hours की ड्यूटी है. So उसमें उन लोग जाने से पहले थोड़ा सा इंचार्ज वगैरह बात कर लेते हैं कि भाई यू आर कमिंग इन, so this is what, थोड़ा सा एक ब्रीफिंग दे देते हैं. जब ब्रीफिंग हो जाता है, they come into confidence. My in-charge is there, she. So बातों से काफी चीजें हम लोग बच्चों को ये कर सकते, and we have special allowances and all, so that is provided. It is not easy to get them, but yes, hats to the nurses. They leave their families, they leave their responsibilities, घर के आधे काम करके, and they come for that. PP kits now we allow only 6 hours.
6 घंटे जब पीपी किट पहनते हैं तो
आसान नहीं है,
किट, हाँ,
आसान नहीं है. आसान
हाँ,
नहीं है।
आसान नहीं है। तो वो पीपीई किट पहनने के पहले मतलब यू हैव टू बी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड कि 6 घंटे तक आप खाना नहीं खा सकते, वॉशरूम नहीं जा सकते, आप फालतू का इधर उधर बैठ नहीं सकते, आपको खड़े ही रहना है। उस तरीके से हाउ कंफर्टेबल और अनकंफर्टेबल इट इज।
See, comfortable, again I say the same thing, इनसे बातें करना, इनको confidence में लेना, even if anything goes wrong, I am there with you. That confidence level increase them. And 6 hours wearing the PP kit, and then giving phone पे भी हम लोग बात करते हैं, how is this feeling, ये सारी चीजें थोड़ी सी टच में रहते हैं, होल्डिंग इंचार्ज से लेके सुपरवाइजर, डीएनएस, sorry, ANS, DNS, they are all lined up. So they know how to handle, and we have made certain strategies to talk to them, support them, and their difficulties, each one staff is being shared. So by sharing, we come to know.
मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ कि जो पीपीई किट है जब वो पहनते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली इट इज नॉट कंफर्टेबल। पीपीई किट को पहनने के लिए मेंटली यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड। तो जो पीपीई
Yes.
किट पहनते हैं तो वो फेस पे निशान आ जाते हैं, चोटें भी लग गई हैं, कई यू हैव सीन ब्रूजेस आल्सो ऑल ओवर फेस, यू नो, और वो दिखता भी नहीं है, यू नो, वी हैव सीन पीपल देख भी नहीं पाए। तो ऐसे कोई इंसिडेंट है तुम्हारे नॉलेज में जो शेयर करना चाहोगे कि किसी स्टाफ के बारे में?
हाँ, so PP kit पहन के issue हुआ था because the कपड़ा of that PP kit, the PP kit's linen, we had bought, and it was not comfortable. So we tried that, and then now we found that in the market so many types of PP kits. Then we got number of samples, PP kit ka samples there. So we've got something very decent, and that linen is also a little thin one where you sweat, but then not that much compared to the other things. So lot of changes, even in the mask, then in the PP kit, the shoe covers, all these things. There is a change of brand, and that has made us much more easy. But yes, we all are mentally prepared. We try not to give stress to them for that 6 hours.
As per the guidelines of the hospital committee, each shift has to last only for 4 hours. However, nurses are working 6 hours each during morning and evening shifts and 12 hours during the night shifts. How difficult
Yes.
it was to work in such stressful conditions with the loss of sleep and wallet.
Yes. So in this case, what we do, it's very interesting that 12 hours की जो duty है, staff का जो है, उनको prepared करके ही रखते हैं. Yes, we cannot open. It is the safety purpose. Now everyone has been adapted that. Yes, in this situation, nights. So instead of having 10 nights, 12 nights, we reduce that nights.
Okay.
We try to help them by reducing it, maybe 10 nights in a month or 12 nights. So we try to reduce that.
तो
So once
चार
that
घंटे
is,
की शिफ्ट 4 घंटे की शिफ्ट होती है आपकी और आप 6 घंटे काम करते हो?
नहीं, 4 घंटे के शिफ्ट तो होते नहीं, 6 घंटे की शिफ्ट ही होते हैं. बट इनकी जो 4 घंटे की जो बात होती है, पेशेंट केयर में 4 to 5 hours होता है. बाकी का 45 minutes इनका जो है ब्रेक होते हैं. बट ब्रेक में
Okay,
भी
after the break.
so then they have their breakfast very well, and then they have that 6 hours duty, and they have their donning and doffing done. Doffing is being done there, then they take a shower, and then hair.
नाइट शिफ्ट के टाइम पे nurses are wearing PPE kit for 12 hours and it is suffocating. So वैसे आपने तो बहुत अच्छे हॉस्पिटल्स में आपने काम किया है, लेकिन अभी हमारे पास एक डॉक्टर आई थी, वो गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में से आए थे, जो दिल्ली का बहुत ही फेमस हॉस्पिटल है। वहां पर उन्होंने बताया कि जो नर्सेज हैं बिकॉज ऑफ हीट और वो ना फेंट हो गई थी, उन्हें दिख नहीं रहा था, बेहोश हो गई थी। तो आपके साथ ऐसे कुछ इंसिडेंसेस हुए? क्योंकि 12 घंटे में अगर पीपी किट आप पहन के रख रहे हो तो एक सफोकेटिंग होती है कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आप कंटिन्यूसली आप इनहेल कर रहे हो। तो ऐसे कुछ
इनहेल कर
इंसिडेंट आए जो तबियत खराब हुई किसी की?
वेल अभी जो मेरे सामने अभी आया कोविड का इस तरह का सिचुएशन नहीं है, बट यस वन स्मॉल इंसिडेंट दैट हैज हैपेंड, that the staff did not have breakfast, ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं खा के ड्यूटी पे आए, एंड देन 2 hours में she felt uneasy. So they immediately uneasy हो गया, तो that staff is being moved out from there. And then when we did an RC and all, then we came to know that yes, she did not have breakfast. तो एक example जब बच्चों से share कर लेते हैं, now I mean nobody, and we make it sure when they come for duty, we ask them also that have you people taken? If anybody, yes, sometimes they might not say, that is also there. In that case, we come to know. Then we arrange certain things for them, or we do not allow the staff to move.
The risk of burnout right now seems especially high, as in post-traumatic stress, moral distress और moral injury. ये क्या बोलोगे आप? मतलब अभी जो जो ट्रॉमा से अभी इतना पैंडेमिक में सब लोग गुजरे हैं, तो ये जो पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक स्ट्रेस है और ये जो मोरली जो सब लोग परेशान हुए हैं, और जो मोरल इंजरी हुई है जिस तरीके से लोगों की, बिकॉज साइकोलॉजिकली एंड इमोशनली इज हिट so many people, because we are in safe hands, we are sitting at house and in a protective environment. You guys are upfront in there looking after so much of emotion. Obviously जैसे मैंने अभी डॉक्टर से भी बात की कि वहां पर इमोशन एज अ नर्स, मैं उनसे डॉक्टर्स के थ्रू बात करी थी, एज अ नर्स आप लोगों को कैसे आप हैंडल करते हो अपनी मोरल, जो आप एंजाइटी होती है या फिर स्ट्रेस होता है, आप उसको कैसे हैंडल करते हो? जो ये पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक स्ट्रेस जो होता है ना, जैसे अभी कोई ऑपरेशन हुआ या कोई एकदम इमरजेंसी आ गया, जो वो जो ट्रॉमा जो क्रिएट हो जाता है एकदम इमरजेंसी के टाइम में, कुछ बार हाथ आपकी चीजें भी मतलब मैनेज ऑल दैट?
See, उस situation में we do is that we have a team of ourselves who handles them very well. उस टाइप का सिचुएशन हम पैनिक क्रिएट नहीं करते, जैसे लग रहा है कि पैनिक क्रिएट होने वाला है या हो रहा है, तो उसमें जो एक्शंस लेना है इमीडिएटली हम ले लेते हैं, जो भी उसकी हेल्प होनी है या डॉक्टर्स की तरफ से या नर्सेस की तरफ से, जिसका भी है. वी ऑलवेज इन द हॉस्पिटल वी ऑलवेज सी व्हाट कुड कम बी द नेक्स्ट. सो थोड़ी सी हम क्या कहते हैं, थोड़ा सा जागृत रहता है कि कुछ होने वाला है, कुछ हो सकता है, प्लस माइनस पे हम लोग हमेशा थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट कर लेते हैं. द मोमेंट वी थिंक हाँ ऐसे कुछ हो सकता है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट हम लोग, बच्चों हो या कोई भी हो, इट कुड बी इवन द हाउसकीपिंग पीपल, द जीडीए पीपल्स, एनीबडी, उसके लिए भी थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर्ड हो जाते हैं कि इस तरह से अगर हुआ है तो कंडीशन पे कैसे कंट्रोल पे crisis or get that into a different scenario, तो कोशिश करते हैं.
अच्छा, जो चैलेंजेस आपने मुझे बताया जब स्टाफ ड्यूटी में नहीं आता है, तो आपने हमें बताया कि आप बैकअप रखते हैं, है ना? आपकी स्ट्रैटेजीज होती हैं और आप वो बैकअप रखते हैं हमेशा, स्टाफ जब नहीं आता है तो एंड मोमेंट पे आपके ऐसे हॉस्टल्स भी हैं, है ना? तो आप वो बेसिकली जब वो क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट होती है, जब आपको स्टाफ नहीं मिलता है, बाई चांस स्टाफ नहीं है, आपने बैकअप भी रखा, कई बार होता है कि बैकअप भी नहीं काम कर रहा है, तो उस समय आपकी क्या स्ट्रैटेजीज होती हैं जो आप डिटरमाइन करते हैं, कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन क्या होता है आपका?
So in that case we might have off staff होते हैं उस समय, जो छुट्टी लिया होगा या ऐसे कुछ, so we request them कि आप ड्यूटी पे आ सकते हैं या नहीं. So then there are few selected people we have kept aside, any moment they are ready to do work. There are few staff who is there, selective people of 10 people we identify, they give their names and then we see that within them we can catch up. जैसे cannula डालने के लिए, everybody might not be expert for the cannula. So we have a certain team we have built up, and round the clock 24/7 we see, and they have a special badge and that they wear it and they move around. So anywhere cannula का issue होता है, so they are the experts, they are always there in 24/7 different team. So उसी तरह इधर में भी we have done that. So number of staff we have kept. तो उसमें कोई भी अगर आना चाहेंगे, we give them a call, 1 or 2 people, and then we get to know, and then they come for duty.
What is it that what is giving hope for you right now for nursing during this pandemic?
Hope to be. होप तो मेरा नाम ही आशा है, तो मैं तो हमेशा होप ही देती हूँ. तो मैं भी देखती हूँ, मैं खुद कहाँ जाती हूँ, yes, but I love to serve the mankind. तो
As
इसी
in,
प्रोफेशन में देखिए,
अगर मैं आपकी ग्रोथ की खुद की बात करूं, आप कहाँ से कहाँ तक आई हैं? So what will have to say about it? I mean, it's a long journey you have covered. So, you know, from the nurse and to a superintendent head, how do you feel about it? You know, now you're handling so much. तो जरा एक जर्नी का थोड़ा सा एक हमें बताइए थोड़ा सा.
गुड, मतलब वो अगर बैक फ्लैश करें तो इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल मेमोरीज फॉर मी एज अ नर्स, and I was privileged to see to take care of Mother Teresa when I was there in
Is
Portal
it?
and Woodland Hospital.
Is it?
Yes.
You have served Mother Teresa.
So,
How nice.
yes, so I'm blessed
How
with that,
blessed.
and I
Are you
always,
blessed?
yes, so I always remember that. That was my first job in Woodlands, and
That
I
is the
did six.
reason. That is the reason, Asha, you're so humble. You have touched, you know, Mother Teresa.
I don't know that, but yes, that moment after I go back home also, it was a worry for me that, you know, was she okay? Was she okay? Today's service was good. So we had in charges. So she used to tell me that yes, she didn't have any complaint. She didn't have any complaint. So that time I was not very well known that Mother Teresa was a famous person. Okay, Mother Teresa is a famous thing. But later on, as I was serving her, almost I think 13 days I did duty over.
Oh, lovely.
So yes, it was really proud, and still now I remember that. I have always
Do you
remembered that.
have you after meeting Mother Teresa and you know being there for 13 days with her in her close, very close vicinity, did you found any changes in yourself after meeting her as a person, as a
Oh yes,
human
lot of
being?
changes. As a human being,
Yeah.
lot of changes. Yeah, a lot of changes. Before I was shifted after 13 days, then I was moving out from ICU to another department. So the I just requested Mother Teresa that can I take a photo of you? So the answer she gave me is that you don't need a photograph. You keep this rosary. There's a rosary that she gave me, and she said,
Oh,
"You will see me in human being. You will see me in human being." Yes,
oh,
and that is the fact that till now, at this level also, when anybody comes for medical help in any way, I ensure they get that treatment.
how nice.
So in my life,
How nice.
most of people have come, and Seva Bhav, in our organization, we had that Seva Bhav, how to do it, and I worked on that. Somewhere I
How
feel,
nice.
yes, the help that they come to me, I remember her words. You will see me in human life.
How nice.
So,
So
being.
nurses are the frontline healthcare professionals who work across acute care hospitals, long-term care agencies, nursing homes, schools, community, and government healthcare agencies. So they work everywhere, you know. So what are the multiple roles and functions played by nurses during this COVID-19 pandemic as they are working, you know, with the hospitals and you know the agencies, the nursing homes, school, community, government healthcare, ये सारे बहुत सारे different role play कर रही हैं. So you know at this pandemic, how they're dealing with it?
See, they are dealing with a nurse is the only profession and only capable nurse who can handle all the situations in any hospital. See,
Okay,
but if you have to say a typist cannot do nursing job, but nursing can do a typist job.
type this up. Perfect,
Now, I'm saying
perfect,
yes. So
perfect,
they are
perfect.
totally multitasking. A hospital can run by the nurses. AC में issues हैं, छोटी मोटी चीजें they are able to do. So I find multitasking are the nurses, and they are doing lot of other multitasking, small things on the floors, even in ICUs when they work. Few things they're able to do. So I always believe they are always. I mean, nurses are multitasking.
परफेक्ट. सो अगर मैं 5 डोमेन की बात करूं नर्सेस के, तो क्या चीजें होंगी आपके हिसाब से नर्सेस के 5 डोमेन?
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन होंगे, देन दे हैव स्पेशलिटी नर्सेस, डोमेन में वो हो जाता है, देन
ट्रेनिंग,
स्पेशलिटी ट्रेनिंग के लिए हो जाता है, एजुकेशन में हो जाता है, एंड एनी
पेशेंट्स.
स्पेशल डोमेन, हाँ, पेशेंट्स को देखने के लिए सर्विस एक्सीलेंसी पे भी होते हैं, तो काफी चीजें होती है, डोमेन एनी डोमेन.
So what are the key challenges faced by our nursing professionals during COVID-19?
Facing challenges, that is what they have to handle the patient की भी बात है, doctor की भी बात है, and you know once they finish
वो जो
that,
gap,
then
वो reducing that gap between the doctor patient, the critical knowledge.
that is it. So challenges are there in that way. Then explaining it to attender. One attender will come and say that ये बात है. Next attender will say, come and ask what is it, क्या है. So that explaining. That challenge is there. Then leaving the family and coming for duties shift wise, not in the COVID area, rather than the ward also coming, you know. So challenges they face. They face other challenges. Go back home, cooking करना, बच्चों को पढ़ाना, you know, all home household work is also there. So
And
then
you have to keep yourself updated also with the knowledge.
yes, you have
Regular
to
updates of the knowledge of
Yes.
the hospitals, the equipment, the training.
What is the latest that is come? You know, we have to update us. So we have nurse educators. They keep updating, and then doctors are also there. Yes, they support a lot for this updating education parts. We ourselves get updated.
Okay. So any heart-touching stories and any cases of patients you want to share? Any heart-touching stories or any cases if you remember?
Yeah, I do have cases. There was a patient who was there, and a young lady. She was working in an MNC company, and she was around 30 years. She used to interact with me every day. So I used to go for rounds. We used to go with doctors also. We interacted, and somehow we got bond together very well. So her taste and my life, you know, so somewhere came on the same page. So a few days, one day I didn't go to my office. I had taken leave or something, and then next day when I went to meet the same person. That person was sick. So I searched maybe the room might be changed. So I asked my team, what about that? So they told me she had a cardiac arrest. So she had health problems. Yes, she had back problems indeed. And she had two daughters. So, you know, having so much of conversation with that patient, and all of a sudden I come to know that she's no more. I couldn't take that. So it really made me low, and then it took me almost around 8 to 9 days to go to that ward. I couldn't take it because the bonding, the talks we had, it was really nice to have that patient. So that made me very sad. That was really, I mean, that has changed my life also. So thereafter, I tried to keep a distance, not that close also. That's where I learned that you cannot be so attached with the patients.
Happens, no, because you meet so many people and then you get attached also. That's what in the beginning I was talking about. You feel kind of responsible and then you feel so attached to the person that एक relationship built up हो जाता है patient के साथ फिर.
तो
तो
उसमें थोड़ा
और
सा
अगर
डर
उस
लगता
पेशेंट, हाँ, और वो पेशेंट को अगर कुछ हो जाए तो बहुत बुरा लगता है. मतलब how you handle your emotions, it's very painful.
very
So
painful. So that was my
इन द
it
एंड,
was
हाँ, इन द एंड आप लोग चाहे जितने भी स्ट्रांग दिखो हम लोगों से, लाइक वी तो वेरी नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग, आप लोग जितने भी स्ट्रांग रहो लेकिन
हम
इन
भी
द
रोते
एंड,
हैं, हम भी रोते हैं,
हाँ,
कभी कभी
ऑफ
हमारे
कोर्स
भी आंसू आते
आपका
हैं, बट वी डोंट शो दैट.
के भी इमोशंस हैं और आपके भी आंसू हैं. तो हम मतलब हम ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि हाँ अगर हमने भगवान का दर्जा आप लोगों को दिया हुआ है तो हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि हम सेंसिटिव नहीं होते हैं. वी हैव टू बी सेंसिटिव टुवर्ड्स डॉक्टर, नर्सेज, फ्रंट लाइन वॉरियर्स जितने भी हैं सारे, वी हैव टू बी सेंसिटिव टुवर्ड्स देम बिकॉज they fight a lot, they do a lot for themselves, for the society and for their family.
Sir,
Coming to the next question, what are the protocol while taking care of the patient? आप क्या क्या चीजों का ध्यान रखते हैं when you take care of the patient?
when you take the patient, my nurses are responsible. पहले तो इन लोग इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं, ये सारी चीजें क्लेanलीनेस हुई है कि नहीं देखते हैं, फिर अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं, देन पेशेंट के बारे में उन लोग एग्जाम लेते हैं, देन उसके बाद डॉक्टर्स आते हैं जो भी उन लोग रेकमेंड करते हैं. तो ये सारी चीजें फॉलो करनी है, मेडिकेशंस ऑन टाइम, नो अदर्स शुड बी देयर. They should not carry that. Infection control nurse plays a vital role in the hospital. उनका भी वो देखना पड़ता है कि everything is perfect. कोई भी ऐसा infection उनको and nurses की responsibilities ज़्यादा हो जाती है उनके साथ उनका relatives को भेजना. That is the biggest challenge what we find. Attenders को बोलना आप लोग नीचे जाना है. So but now since COVID has come up, lot of restrictions have come. Attenders को allow नहीं करते, वीडियो कॉल करा देते, patient wants to speak to the doctor, as per that video call is done. So it's responsibilities बढ़ते, जो करते
What do
थे
you have
वो
to
करते थे.
सेफ्टी और सैनिटाइजिंग हॉस्पिटल्स के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? कैसे लोग कैसे ध्यान देते हैं सैनिटाइजिंग एंड सेफ्टी के बारे में?
सैनिटाइजिंग हॉस्पिटल तो वो हॉस्पिटल वाले कर लेते हैं, बट यस रिलेटिव्स एंड ऑल दे हैव टू सी. वही है कि मतलब एक साथ आ जाते हैं, एक साथ खड़े हो जाना. देयर आर स्टिल सम पीपल हु डज नॉट वेयर मास्क. So we
हाँ,
correct them.
दिस इज द मेन
Mask
प्रॉब्लम.
and or yes, then you know where security हो या housekeeping को mask नहीं पहनते तो बता देते फिर we do one thing, we only give the mask. Please wear your mask. So लोगों का थोड़ा सा ये है कि accept या फिर mask आधा पहन के रहते हैं, वो भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, आधी चीजें दिखती है. So that is also infection. So we try to educate people and more awareness देने की कोशिश करते हैं.
So in any hospital, discharging a patient is difficult and time consuming. How would a nurse play a role in discharging a patient and making things very comfortable?
Earlier, I think earlier it was a big challenge for discharge. Discharge बनाना, discharge एक patient जाना मतलब सारा दिन के काम है. So I used to hear this, you know, discharge होना मतलब my God, it's a pain, it's a pain. People started saying, I started listening. My nurses said, "Ma'am, discharge होना मतलब आप सोच लो 4-5-6 घंटे के ऊपर जाना." So then in the previous organization, I had really worked on discharge. So we had process. We had a 4 member of teams. उसमें हम लोग discharge के लिए we create some process plans वगैरह करके 45 minutes cash patient and अगर TPA वगैरह है तो उसमें 3 to 6 hours. Maximum we keep 7 hours. उसमें TPAs का हो जाता है. So process, the dedication and following up the starter. That is the biggest thing. तो ये करके अचीव तो कर लिए हैं. The organization, yes, we had achieved a trophy also and a certificate also for that. Discharge में लोगों को समझ में आना चाहिए and communication is very important. The nurses or the billing person has to communicate to them that this much hours this patient could be discharged. So I think people have started accepting that and it's a मतलब एक्सेप्टेंस आ गया उन पे कि हाँ टीपीए है तो 6 घंटे 7 घंटे लग ही जाते हैं. तो आफ्टर दैट आई थिंक नाउ हॉस्पिटल मोस्ट ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल्स हैव communicated. I feel that discharge को लेके इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है.
I think they have made things easier for people also because already लोग इतना patient इतना stressful होता है क्योंकि ना ये सब चीजें disturbing होती हैं and then this process is, it takes a toll of your emotions and life.
Nurses also prepare accordingly. Nurses तो one day night before they give away all the medicines, extra medicines गिवन कर देते हैं, inform कर देते हैं. So काफी चीजें.
How do you feel coming? वही मैंने पूछा कि इस पोजीशन तक आके आपके हार्ड वर्क, love and admiration, a lot of people have it for you. So how do you feel about yourself that you have come so far? आशा जेसन, आशा पहले कैसे होती थी, अब आशा जेसन हो गई है. Before marriage and after marriage, and you have come so far in life with so beautifully, and you have come so beautifully, managing things and people and things around you, and you have grown so much with your hard work and love. How do you have to say about people admiring you?
I'm proud. I'm proud. I love nursing, and it was not easy to come up in here. And there were good mentors in my life in the field. Even in Delhi, I had good mentors who supported, guided, and how they placed me into the role. It was fun. It was fun work with all the seniors. So that's how I grew. My hard work and their support has helped me a lot.
Lovely.
So
So any message you want to give it to the society or to the people, or to the viewers watching us?
Oh, yes. I mean, there are few things what we, as you should say, do not go out as and when required only. Wearing a mask, social distancing can help a lot for people. And as you say that do not make fun of people, those who are sick. ये सारी चीजें हैं जो सोसाइटी को पूछनी चाहिए कि भाई मास्क पहना करो, अनवांटेड डू नॉट मूव अराउंड, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग सबसे बड़ी बात है, वो डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करें. I would like to say, in the society, those nurses who are still working, there are a number of nurses who are working. I am proud of them, and I salute myself to the entire team of nurses.
Salute to you, Asha, and your entire in our front warriors here to the nation. The entire nation is so proud of you guys. And this is coming from my heart, from everybody's heart, that you have done a tremendous job to the society selflessly and with so much of love, peace, and
Uh,
100% hard work and dedication, commitment you have given it to us. It is it
so
is it is from heart.
I missed
Thank
out.
you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. But before that,
Thank you.
last question, before going, मैं पूछना चाहूंगी कि आपको हमारा शो कैसा लगा? Say something about our show.
Yeah, आपका शो अच्छा है. Today's topic was fantastic. I think Dr. Saurav has explained it beautifully. He is explaining. का जो है that is secondary, but yes, this today's show, I think more shows as per the requirement. Like now COVID है तो फिर ये session बहुत अच्छी चीजें हैं, and I believe some of them have written to me that people would like to come video call so that direct interaction करने के लिए. So I think today's session सिर्फ the previous sessions were also good, but today it was more informative what I came to know, and others are also saying the same. So it was a great show and keep going like this. Thank you so much. I would like to say, add on one thing is that in the hospital, those who are working technicians, the lab people, the housekeeping, GDS, to them also a big salute.
Salute to everyone. Our front end warriors should salute to you. Thank you so much, Asha, for being on our show. And it was lovely seeing you. And we hope to get you back again with more inspiration and keep serving the society as ever and, keep guiding us and, be a, leave a mark of your footpath wherever you go. A lot of success to you and a lot of love.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so much.
much.
So, friends, this was Mrs. Asha Jason, a senior a nurse who had come so far, and now she is serving. She's worked with lot of reputed hospitals, to name a few, and she has now become. She's played a multi role. She is now nursing superintendent head. She's worked with Max and lot many hospitals, lot reputed one. So now we can say that the rapid spread of COVID-19 poses a serious threat to human health and is impacting severely on public health, global communications, and economic systems worldwide. It has affected everything, if you talk about this pandemic. Nurses are the key members of healthcare teams charged to control and prevent the spread of infectious disease. Moreover, nurses work on front line providing direct care to individuals infected with COVID-19. Let's salute to the bravery, to their life dedicated to the mankind. Salute to you, Asha Jason. Salute to all the nurses. Salute to all the staff back in front end. And, salute from Bate Kuch Dil Se. The efforts to control and prevent COVID-19 will still go on. And to care for those who are infected remain ongoing as well. Also, please be sensitive towards people who get infected. It's just they are just unwell, so please आप उनको ऐसे treat ना करें. They are not criminals. Be sensitive, be apathetic. Thank you so much. This is Kanak signing off for today On Wednesday, we're getting another doctor who is a corona survivor. So we have a lot to share with him on Wednesday. So again, this is your host and host, Kanak Bharat Parashar, signing off for today. A mother of beautiful daughter, jewelry designer and fashion stylist by profession, 14 years of industry experience, founder of Ashwina Jewelry and Kids Design Studio, Queen for the Day contest, and now आपके अपने शो में बातें कुछ दिल से हम अब आपसे दोबारा जुड़ेंगे in our next episode. Till then, see you, good night, and Jai Hind.